What's going on, family? I wanted to give you a little small update on my welding skid. I've been sitting back here laying everything out. The majority of the work in this, as far as the fabrication part, is doing the two ends and doing the forklift holes and coping it out to be able to go inside the rest of the channel, and then fabricating the pipes so that way they can go up and down, you know. But other than that, it's not real difficult at all to do. So that's what we're working on right now. Like I say, I should be able to sum up. My goal is to tack it all together, and then later on I'm gonna weld it out. So I still got a couple more things. I still got to put the caps on top of them. But other than that, it is coming along, and getting my hog on. Got all my stuff laid out. I'm using actually the wire welder to tack everything up, and then I'm gonna actually stick it with a 7018. So that's what I'm doing today, man. Building products. Like I say, this is something that I came up with to actually help me and help anybody else that's actually working in the construction field and mobile welding field. Like I say, this is a dope welding skid. It's simple. I'm getting all my good modifications down now, everything that I need to do to make sure it's like it needs to be at now. So hey, it looks damn good. Everything is turning out fine. I mean, as far as my goals. So I'm gonna start from here and keep on going, man. Get my hog on. Y'all be blessed. I'm out. Black Feniks.